I don't know where to look. Beautiful and quite dangerous at the same time. Morning everybody. Here's another beautiful day for a ride. And for real, this one is beautiful. It's quite a lot of sun, only several clouds on the sky. Oh, it's nice. Maybe I will make it further than Akureyri. It's another attempt. Yesterday it didn't let me too far. I went only 25 kilometers. Oh, it was a pleasant stay in this guest house. Okay, got everything on the donkey. Check if everything is okay. I took out summer gloves optimistically. And the direction for today is towards the Westfjords. But how far will I go? I don't know. Everything depends from the weather. Everything's here stable. Okay. Go. It's a very nice day today. I can open the vents in the helmet. You do have some horses over here. Hello guys, I don't want to bother you, sorry. About 52 kilometers I think to Akureyri. Going around, not with the tunnel, but still there are some warnings about strong winds in that area. I'm gonna see how it looks when I'm gonna get there. If there isn't too much wind, there's a lot of bugs, and I already got some of them with my visor. But the views are different scale. 16 degrees. That's something new. Maximum I had was 13 yesterday. So the wind is a bit stronger than I thought, but it isn't so bad as it was yesterday. I have to go through the town again. There isn't any other way. At least today there aren't any bad looking clouds over there, but it's still windy. I've got 80, almost 90 on my speedometer. I'm not feeling it. I think I'm going some kind of 40 or 50 maximum because of the wind. I think yesterday was quite dangerous. Today it's a bit less, but just a bit. Look over there, some snow caps, or is it a small glacier over there? Looks nice. Ooh. The wind is trying to rip my head off. It's much worse down below in the valleys probably than somewhere on the side of the mountain. Look at those peaks. That's around the herding fence. After this season, they do get all the sheep here from the surroundings, and they do divide them for different owner of the sheep. I think I was stopping somewhere here yesterday and going back around. We're going a bit higher. I'm gonna have to go through that pass over there. We'll see how it's gonna blow there. A bit colder over here. There's a bridge down there. I'm gonna fill up donkey. I wanna be as heavy as I can. Oh, what is that? Some traditional buildings. Very nice. So I've bumped into an Italian guy that rides in front of me. We've met on the ferry to Iceland. We're heading towards the same direction. He showed me the hostel that he's staying in. I've booked a place over there too, so we're gonna travel a bit together today. Getting into some other pass. It's very windy. There leads the road over there up to the fjord, I think. There's water over there. I think those things in the distance are the Westfjords. It's a nice church design, very modern. We've stopped for some refueling, and I did put on another layer of clothes underneath the jacket. It isn't cold actually, because it's about 13-14 degrees, but it's very windy, and the wind gets through the layers. You feel it on your skin. Oh, someone landed in the ditch. There's quite a lot of horses over here. It's a species of a horse that was brought here by Vikings and called an Icelandic horse. Government doesn't allow any other breeds of horses into the Iceland. And even if you ride over here and you've got your own stuff you were using on some other horse outside Iceland, they do have to clean it proper, make some kind of quarantine for it. That's because of the horses might get some diseases from outside. They are protecting this local species from every side. The horse isn't too tall, but it's quite hardy and can outstand quite a lot. You can see it on his bike, how the wind blows from the side, dancing all the time. Oh, it doesn't want to rip my head off. I'm just laughing. It's good to be a bit heavier sometimes. At least the wind will not blow me off the road for now. Just came from Ring Road and getting into the Westfjords. Oh, there's a waterfall over there. Came all along the other side. It's blowing hard over here. Are the roads over here on dirt? Very compacted, but dirt. I think this is my first ride so close to the coast. On dirt, of course. That looks nice over there. And we've got the other side in the distance. Whoa. Yeah, I was pushing the right side not to run away from the road. Whoa. It's freaking windy.
Just the time to take a picture and then you can.
Yeah.
We go.
Whoa. Stopping for the photo was quite a challenge. But this is fun. Far out. This is challenging. Ah, look at the colors of the water. Really nice. Whoa. Let's stick to the center of the road. It was much easier by the shore. We're getting up into some pass and it's blowing harder. Insane. Oh. And we're gonna go on the other side over there. Now we're back on gravel and just by the shoreline. Yeah, I see the seagulls. They're trying to get airborne, but no way, Jose. Not today. Now the whole flock is trying to do this. Some lonely rock formation, or was it some kind of building? Looks like a gate or something. Oh wow. What a road. Ships are running away. I thought that the road's gonna be all the time by the shoreline, but it goes somewhere in the middle. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at the view there. Whoa. There's some hairpin. I think there's one in Iceland. Oh, quite corrugated. What a view. What's up, chips? Okay, I see some not good looking clouds. Now I think we are heading towards them. There's a whole ridge going along the fjord. Some rock formations. Some ships on the road. Get out of the way! Hey guys! Come on! Come on! Chop chop! There's another suicide sheep. Stay! Stay! Okay. Good direction. Oh, some cattle. I'll see it first time over here. There's some town over there. I think we have to go all around the fjord, which is quite large. But the scenery is stunning. We are getting into some bad weather. The whole day was nice, so why to spoil it, eh? I think we're gonna get some petrol over there.
That way. No.
That and there. We stopped for some grocery shopping and now we're off to the place where we're gonna stay for the night. It's still windy. There is no more sun in the sky. Oh, maybe some over there. We've got about 94 kilometers to go. It's gonna take us almost 2 hours. Oh wow. Insane landscape. That's a solid rock, and everything over here, that's pebbles and gravel that it eroded through time and went down. You do feel so tiny when you're near this kind of landscape. Corrugations and potholes. Oh wow. Look at that thing in front. Totally insane. Wow. What a view. Oh wow. What a view. Ooh. I don't know where to look. Or here, or there, or behind me. Yeah, I have to look on the road. There's quite a lot of potholes. Oh wow. You really don't know where to look because there's so much stuff. There's a big crack in that one. Wow. Look over there. You just pass around that one over there. Someone got a nice view. It's house or a summer cabin. And I was thinking to skip the Westfjords if the weather is going to be bad. The weather is fine, and I'm glad I'm here. Look at the amount of driftwood on that beach down there. Come on, donkey! Ah, there's a waterfall in between. It's another one over there. Oh, let's sit down. The wind really does want to get rid of you from the road. And it tries to do it from different sides. Come on, donkey! Mattia is getting on the side too. We're getting all the time on the left side of the road. We're not in England, but it's much safer to do it like that than go on the right side, near the edge. Oh wow, there's one fjord, there's another. We've been there, now we're going there. There's another thing over here. It's insane. Beautiful place. And the sun is out. Yay! There's some small tornado on the water over there. How to avoid potholes when the wind is so hard from the side. Beautiful and quite dangerous at the same time. Some spikes getting out of the water. Oh, it's gonna be blowing once more. It's hard to believe that kind of thing do exist. Hi, is this a hostel?
Do you have a reservation?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your name?
Adam Bakun.
Yeah.
Mattia, Villa.
Oh, so you came together. Okay, okay.
Which building is it?
It's the grey one. It's all grey. It's the one more on the right.
More on the right, with this kind of...
Yes.
Okay.
Because one of you booked today or something.
Yeah, I did. I did, because we met on the petrol station.
Ah.
Because we were on the same boat here to Iceland, and then we met again on the petrol station.
Okay.
And I thought we were gonna join the ride.
Nice. That's very funny. And where are you from? Italy and?
Poland.
Poland, okay. You make friends, you make biker friends by traveling.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So that's how the hostel rooms look like. Here's the chef for today. Here's the room. Here's the bathroom. There's the kitchen and some dining space. Looks good. There's a seal. Look, 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 over there. Hello. Kitty, kitty, tosh, tosh. Look. As you saw in the video, there were very beautiful views on the road. I didn't know where to look because it was all around. And now over here it still looks very beautiful. I don't know what tomorrow is going to bring, so don't assume anything. Just hope the weather is going to be fine, and I would be able to admire all the stuff around for another day. Matteo is doing cooking today. We made some grocery shopping on the way. So he's making some kind of spaghetti. Well, he's Italian. I leave the chef at his work. I'm gonna go back because the wind is getting much stronger. I think that's it for me for today. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe down below. See you next time.